sales for the month of January were largely in line with expectations. Auto sales were, in fact, well within the positive territory across the board. I think just barring one or two names, they were all showing a very strong recovery. And of course, year on year, because the low base effect kicks in, aiding the growth figure or the quantum of percentage change on a year-on-year basis, but also even on a sequential basis. If you compare January sales for most companies with December sales, there is actually a good improvement on a month-on-month or sequential basis as well. Let me start with market leader Maruti Suzuki. We were expecting it to clock in 1.6 lakh units for the month gone by. That's exactly what they delivered. 4% growth on a YOY basis. Largely flattish sort of a figure on if you compare it with December sales, but in-line numbers, no real concern or worry there. M&M Auto, 39,149 units sold in the month gone by. 11% improvement sequentially. However, on a year-on-year basis, it is still lower by 25%. M&M Farm, 33,562 units delivered for the month gone by, a healthy 45% growth year-on-year and 50% expansion on a month-on-month basis as well. So clearly, the farm segment, the tractor makers are really seeing a big leg up, a solid buoyancy that has sustained for many months now. And if you look at the commentary as well, Mahindra Farm segment essentially says that demand continues to be strong with expansion in Rabi acreage, high reservoir levels, high liquidity in the hands of farmers with Kharif procurement as well. And these factors are likely to aid demand going forward as well. So they're really betting on that. So clearly the visibility for farm segment continues to be quite strong. Escorts also said similar things. Tractor market continues to be strong on the back of positive macroeconomic factors. Rural cash flows have remained quite strong. Supply side situation also is now normalizing, and they no longer expect any bottlenecks as far as the supply-demand mismatch is concerned. However, having said that, they have also flagged off that the rising inflation continues to be a bit of a worry for the company. Moving on, Tata Motors PV, 26,978 units delivered for the month gone by, 15% expansion month on month, and YOY it's a 94% growth. Tata Motors CV, largely flattish month on month, but good set of numbers, 32,900 odd units delivered. Eicher CV, 5,673 units, 16% improvement compared to December wholesale numbers. Ashok Leyland, 13,126 units, 3% improvement sequentially, 11% growth YOY. TVS Motors, 2.94 lakh units delivered for the month gone by, exactly in line with our estimates. Hero MotoCorp, 4.85 lakh units. Royal Enfield, 68,887 units. Both of them slightly, or rather a smidge below our expectations, but still I would say no negative surprises there for these two. And Bajaj Auto, that came in earlier today, 4.25 lakh units delivered, again in line with our estimates. So all in all, it's looking like a good set of numbers delivered, a strong way to start the year with. Motown seems to be in fine fettle, no main issues, concerns on the supply side. Yes, there are some concerns as far as raw material inflation is concerned, but as of now, going by the numbers and the commentary that the management has given, it looks like it is under control, at least as of now.